Right. Hi everyone, it's Artist and Dan. Hello. From Man Carpentry. So today, well, we'll show you what we've done so far. We leveled the ceilings. We boarded that bit there, the tricky bit. That's all done. And today we're going to show you how we board the ceiling. We give some tips. Well, as you can see, one of the things we've done here, because we've got a steel, we use plasterboard to come down level with our ceilings, and then we added another track running along the edge just to take the end of the board, because here obviously there's no way of fixing into the steel, no easy way. So that's how we're gonna finish off that. So we use plasterboard as a fixing point, and then once we've done the board, it'll be tied in, so it won't go anywhere. So yeah, I hope it will help someone, and yeah, we'll catch up with you soon. Show you, we've done the boarding, and so one thing you need to bear in mind when you board it is stagger your joints, and that is to prevent it cracking. Even though I must say plaster does crack on a new plasterboard quite often due to its drying time, I think. I've had it in a few jobs where it does actually crack after it's plastered and dried, like micro cracks, but you know, that can be taped and filled and you won't get it again. But yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing now. I'm gonna be undabbing this wall, so I can show you the laser is shining. So I use laser to dot and dab. So I set it up like that. So you also always want to start from the end, so you can always see your laser level line, because otherwise if you're going to start from that end and move forwards, you could, if you're slightly in or out, you could have trouble seeing your line later. So I always start from the end of the wall, same as with the leveling ceilings. So I've started from that end ceilings when I was leveling them out, and my laser was shining from this end. So when I do it, when I come towards my level, I always see the line, because it does go up and down with this system 2 mil because of the let me show you. So this is the stud I used. So sometimes if your screw is, say, on the side of this groove, it slips in the groove, but if you have that, it's not too bad, because you can use the bit of wood mallet, tap it, and it will flatten if there is any low spot. So just show you how this is worked out. As you can see, you know, it's level. We had a bit of lump here, but as I said, what we used a bit of 4x2 and a mallet, and then you tap it up and it just flattens, takes it out, because we had that triple timber running here, and it was very low. And yeah, as I said, when you use screws and screw in the bracket, this groove sometimes is say off the center of your screw, so it will pull one or the other way. So yeah, bear that in mind. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you later.